Now, hopefully it don't stink. I'm gonna spray it in the air first. Hello everyone, my name is Sandra and thank you so much for tuning in. All right y'all, so my Ipsy finally came. I've been looking forward to this since freaking December when I ordered it. Came all cute. I'm not gonna lie, I already know what's in here because they give you like a little sneak preview so you can see what's in there. But I don't know if I like the products because I've never had any of them. Ooh, the bag is all cute. Okay, this is what the bag looking like. It's so cute. This is the bag. It's super pretty. All those pretty little sequins. It feels so good. It's got the little Ipsy on there. It comes with this card that says come clean. Come clean about what? Y'all, in the last video, well, I don't know if it's the last or the last before last, I don't know. But in one of the videos, I tried on this scent and y'all, I cannot find that scent anywhere. It's by Wakefield. I was looking for it everywhere and I could not find it. I wanted the full size perfume because it smelled so freaking good. Could not find it. I'm not gonna lie, I ordered that bag again hoping that it's in there so I can at least have 2 tiny little vials. It just smelled that good. I'm gonna need them to bring it back and at least put it on the Ipsy store. Like, why would you put something in the bag and then you don't have it on the Ipsy store so I can buy it? Like, I was so frustrated. Y'all don't even know. Going into my little bag, take one of the things out. This one is by Lauren's. It is a vanilla almond body lotion. It's got coconut oil and vitamin E. This is what it looks like. I love this color. This is like one of my favorite pinks. It has 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. Let's see how it smells. Ooh, that actually smells really good. I guess this will be another hand cream. This is a body lotion, but this ain't going, you gonna go through this one little thing for your whole body if we're being serious. Unless you like real itty bitty, you might get 2 uses. I'm gonna just use this as like a hand cream. Oh snap, I think I need more than that. It smells good. It smells very coconutty. If you don't like the scent of coconut, then this ain't for you. I don't mind it. I don't mind smelling like coconut. I don't like to eat coconut, but I don't mind smelling like one. Next, we have a little lip gloss by Eloise, and it's called Berries. Y'all, I have been using that damn Cobb Cosmetics. I almost said cosmetics, that's why I paused. Cobb Cosmetics lip oil that I got in the glossy box. I have been using it nonstop. I love it. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm very tempted to buy that box yet again, just so I could get another one of those, because it feels so good. This is what she looks like. Very cute and whittle. Just a little lippy. Let's see if it adds any color. Not really seeing any color. You gotta get a lot of it on there to get some color on your lips. It's not the most pigmented. It feels good. I mean, it's just a cute little lip gloss. I'll use it. I'll probably just put it in my purse as like a refresher. It's like a refresher lip gloss. The next thing in here is by Nicole Miller, or is it Hiller? Hiller. I don't know why I said Miller. That is definitely a H. What? I don't know what's going on with my brain activity, but I'm gonna need to figure this out because I know oh wait, maybe that is Miller. Okay, so, oh wait, I thought it was my brain. It's not my brain. It does say Nicole Miller. Down here in the little tiny, teeny, tiny print, it says Nicole Miller. That looked like an H. This is by Nicole Miller. I think this is a fragrance. Now, hopefully it don't stink. I'm gonna spray it in the air first. I don't know why I sprayed that much. I only needed 1 spray. It's very florally. It smells like flowers. If you like really florally scents, then maybe that's for you. Me personally, I like scents that are sweet, spicy, sweet, delicious. I want to smell like I taste good. I want to smell delicious. If I'm just wanting to spray something on because I'm leaving the gym and I don't want to be stanky, then maybe I'll put that on real quick just to get rid of the stank. But as far as like that being my like going out on a town hot date scent, no thank you. The next thing in here is by Kate Somerville. It is the Exfoliates. That's funny. I like that. I like that. A little attention to the exfoliate. Okay, I see you putting your name in the thing. Okay. It is an intensive exfoliating treatment. This is what she looks like. Very teeny tiny little sample. 0.25 fluid ounces. So this is just an exfoliating treatment. Gonna exfoliate the back of my hand. Ooh, look at that. It's green. I was not expecting it to be green. So you're supposed to rub it in for like 30 seconds and let it sit for 2. Ooh, that smells good. What? That actually smells really good. What does that smell? It smells like cinnamon and like allspice. Before I forget, because I definitely forget that it's on my hand and leave it on for way more than 2 minutes, I'm gonna go run really quick and rinse this off of my hand. I'm gonna enjoy giving this a try. I love that. I love when things smell good. When they have like a scent that makes you want to eat your face, like that is the scent I'm going for. Last but maybe least, I don't know, we'll see. YC Collection Island Eyeliner. So it's just like a little black eyeliner, I believe. It's got like the smudgy tip at the end, so if you wanted to smudge out your eyeliner, you could. Why is this peeling off in itty bitty little sections? And I know if I stop and then just say I'll fix it later, it's just gonna be bothering me the whole time I'm holding it. This is what it looks like. Oh wow, this is a lot of eyeliner. All right, so you get a decent amount. The only thing is I don't really like eyeliners like this because like how do you sharpen this? How do you sharpen this? Let's go ahead and give this a little swatch. Oh shit. It just like, can you see? Bruh, that exact thing that I was telling you about, like how do you sharpen that? You can't. Did I just ruin this eyeliner? All right, let's try this again. Ooh, that's a nice dark line. Only thing is it broke off like immediately. I might use this for like a smudgy eyeliner look. Let me see how the smudgy smudge works. Okay, it smudges. It smudges. Now it's dirty. This is cool. It's probably not my favorite. What is there you could really say about just like a smudgy black eyeliner? That is everything that was in my little Glam bag. Is it the most exciting thing that I've opened thus far? No. The most exciting thing was actually that mystery bag that I got from Ipsy or my BoxyCharm. Like those were banging. I liked those. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe so you can become a Faye Bae. I will see y'all with the next one. Bye.